Hi viewers, I'm Karthik, Tamila Karthik. Really proud and happy to meet you all in this 360 days of Business Viewhas series. Yesterday we had discussed about influencer marketing. Who can be an influencer marketer and what they have to do, how to grab influencer for the business. These are of the concept which we have discussed yesterday. If you missed the video, please go back and see the yesterday's post. And today it's a very interesting and wonderful topic, which is affiliate marketing, where many youngsters are focusing nowadays. Affiliate marketer will be promoting some other brand in their page. This is a simple online instruction or explanation. Basically, if you are searching online to buy a laptop, let me have this case study. What you will type? Just think and tell me. If you want to buy a laptop, what you will type in the search box? Mostly it will comes in 2 to 3 pattern. Best 10 laptops. Uh, Wonderful laptops with best price. Like that. We'll have the keyword as laptop and also best or to buy. So by understanding the keyword, what content writer will be doing is they'll be writing the content to give you some tips. Like these are all the things you have to identify. These are all the things you have to take care of when you want to purchase a laptop. Like this, they'll be giving you a content. And in between the content, let me take 10 tips are there in the page. At the place of fifth tips, they'll be having a information or a text or a image which will target you to the another shopping website, because and that place the advertisement will come as any brand laptop with the pricing. You will be really shocked. You may be surprised that how come computer is identifying me that I am planning to buy a laptop. That is the strategy. So once they started transferring you to this website, to that shopping website, if you are interested in that product, you will start buying it. Very simple concept. So at this time, people will be paying you. The business people will be paying to the affiliator. For paying, we have three methods. Basically, we have PPC as a favorite paying methodology. Pay per click. For instance, in your website, there are 1,000 viewers every day. 200 viewers are clicking that particular company website, means that particular brand will be paying you for that 200 click itself. Because this business people are expecting new uh, customer to just to visit their website, nothing else. So they'll be paying you for the click itself. So this is the first method called PPC. And another one we have, after clicking, sometimes if they have a registration page. So in the ad itself, they'll be having to register in the site, click on this link. So to register, they'll be having a form. So in that form, these customer will be giving their data like phone number, mail ID, address, and so on. Once the data is stored, you will be getting a payment called PPL. PPL is nothing but pay per lead. So if you give a data, they will be paying you. That is the another process. And third one, even if they click or even if they register, we don't pay you. Even if they are registering today and after 2 months that particular customer is paying for the business, at that time when they pay, when the sale is happen, when the sale is happened, that particular brand will be paying you. So this concept is called as PP, yes, pay per sale. So among these three, each company, each brand will choose for their convenience, for the affiliated marketer comfort zone. So as an affiliated marketer, if you want to start your earning, even you can do it part-time. Start your learning, please focus on content development and also have your own website. Small kind of investment. So once you started writing content and you got lot of followers and you got lot of visitors, viewers, you start earning